As Prime Minister Narendra Modi continues to wow the Indian diaspora here in the USA. It's the second edition of Modi in the USA, and this time around it's the Silicon Siege. That's the back half of his trip to the USA. It was the second time in New York City after the diplomatic victories and the great strides taken towards a permanent seat in the UN Security Council in New York. The big business meeting, the sit-down dinner with about $4.5 trillion of net worth sitting at the Waldorf Astoria, hobnobbing with the Prime Minister. After that, it's time for the Silicon Siege. The crescendo will be the Prime Minister's address to the Indian diaspora at the SAP Arena. But what a warm and rousing welcome the West Coast has given him. People lined up for more than an hour and a half to get a glimpse of the Prime Minister, and Narendra Modi did not disappoint them. He stepped out of the car and engaged with them, said hellos, and also allowed the people here to get a glimpse of the Prime Minister they were rooting for. Aishwarya Kapoor was right in the thick of the action. Here's what happened.
Well, that's the Indian Prime Minister on your screens, meeting with these people who have been gathered here for so many hours. You can see the excitement is never ending. You could see the Indian Prime Minister on your screens. My camera person Braj just trying to show you, these are youngsters who study here at the West Coast. This is the first trip of any Indian Prime Minister to San Jose. And on your screens, ladies and gentlemen, the Indian Prime Minister yet again. The excitement is never ending. The excitement is never ending, and Narendra Modi goes to the other side, and right there on your screen once again, I'll just pan the camera across, you could see he's meeting with as many people as he can. That's the Indian Prime Minister. It's his first trip to the West Coast, a smiling Narendra Modi right here getting back in his limousine while he decides he has a packed schedule. He's here for 2 days. It's his first visit to the West Coast, and the Indian Prime Minister has made it a point to meet with the Indian diaspora first before he meets with any VVIPs or any political leaders. So that's the Indian Prime Minister, ladies and gentlemen. Narendra Modi right inside, right there. This is the first trip, as we have been mentioning, of any Indian Prime Minister in the West Coast. This is Aishwarya Kapoor with the journalist Braj for Times Now.